Okay, good morning. My name is Jeff Fournier, and we're here with Chief Michael Gomes from the city of New Bedford, Massachusetts. They're here doing the final inspection on their two Aero XT 1500 GPM pumpers. And the city of New Bedford is an old New England whaling town, has a population of about 100,000 people. Gets about to 125 during the daytime operations with industry within the city. And they purchased these two Aero XT pumpers, and some of the unique features that they have on them is the Oshkosh TAC 4 independent suspension. They have very tight streets in the city, so they really need the maneuverability. And they've made a little bit of a change within their department. They've gone from a top mount pump to a side mounted pumper to constrict the wheelbase to give better maneuverability. Within the New England area, a lot of the streets are literally started out in the 16 and 1700s and have evolved, so some of them are very tight and you have very close quarters to work within. The other obstacle that we have in New England is the New England weather. And this truck also has a few unique features on it. It features a stainless steel body, a 304L stainless steel body with a stainless steel substructure. Because of our weathers and the new chemicals they're putting on the road, these really wreak havoc over the life of the apparatus. So we're trying to do more things in working with the department to mitigate those types of issues. And the departments worked well. We worked well together in order to try and come up with solutions. So some of those solutions are the stainless steel body and substructure. And we've also gone to a unique feature, which you'll see in a minute, which is a galvanized frame rail. And this was developed over time, and that helps protect the frame, which is very difficult to clean and get underneath during wintertime operations and within old fire stations. It's one of the other things that they combat in the old fire stations is low overall height and width, because some of them are historical sites and they can't be changed. So that's another unique feature about the Aero XT. It's the cab is under 100 inches in width, so it's able to go in and out of the stations, and the overall height is below 9.6 on these two apparatus. So some of the stations were literally designed for horse-drawn vehicles, apparatus, if you will, and today we're still putting new modern apparatus in and out of those type of stations. So now, as you can see, we've tilted the cab, and you can see that the frame rail looks very much like a guardrail that you'd see on the side of the road. It's galvanized, very similar to them. It's a process that happens prior to assembly. And the other thing that happens is we use a special bolt on that galvanized frame rail to ensure the corrosion resistance to the bolt and the area around it, so we don't have a dissimilar metal reaction. So this is going to protect the vehicle. You can see the cross members are also done on the vehicle. The other advantage that we're able to offer a customer is a lot of the piece parts that are attached, such as brackets like this. Because of Oshkosh has an e-coating facility, these components are e-coated, which gives them an additional corrosion resistance, makes it a little bit better than a regular painted surface. So that's another advantage that we can offer to the customer. So I'd like to thank you very much for joining us today. We'd like to thank Chief Gomes for his business and working together to help solve his problems.